Hello, in front of me I've got Linyuvo Joypad. In this video I'll show you how to manage your controller's lighting. In the beginning, let's start with side lamp and phase lamp monochrome mode. Firstly, press turbo button and press L3 or R3. The overall light color changes, and the side light plus phase lights are adjusted together. The sequence is red, yellow, blue, green, purple, orange, white cycle switching. Now press turbo plus R3 L3 double to change RGB mode to breathing. Now press turbo plus minus or plus to change color. And same for the other side on the controller. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.